Oh my gosh, you're going too fast. Oh.
Hold on. That's too fast, mama. Oh! That's too fast.
Oh my gosh. You help me clean this up? Bruh. But as you can see, the milk frother is worth the $10 that I spent at TJ Maxx. So I definitely like to take this so I can get the gains in the back because I want a dump truck. You know what I'm saying? And not the one you drive. Okay? But this is the definition of we got Chipotle at home. So what's up, beautiful people of the universe? In today's video, I decided to start a series called Fitness Diaries. So this is just basically me kind of documenting my fitness journey while also sharing things that I've done for myself that has helped me go from this to this, and then also progress into, you know, the body that I'm still kind of trying to get to. I'm fine and happy with how I look now, but you know, it's just certain little nicks and tweaks that I want to change. And also I just feel like, why not start this series anyway, just to share, like I said, those tips and tricks that have helped me lose like 60 pounds, I want to say, and help somebody else out there trying to do the same. So with that being said, let's start with the breakfast. Breakfast, I try to keep a high protein, lower calorie because I tend to have more of an appetite during the day. For breakfast, I have some chicken sausages, and then I got some egg whites. And then for my carbs, I decided to get a smoothie made. So this smoothie contains some mango, strawberry, blueberry. I did put a couple spoonfuls of plain Greek yogurt and then some coconut water. So that's basically my my breakfast. Y'all, I'm jumping ahead of myself. Yeah. That's basically my breakfast for this morning. That was cold. Very cold. So these Drizzlicious rice cake snacks, they are so delicious, y'all. Like, so far I've only had the cinnamon swirl and the birthday cake. Birthday cake by far is my favorite one so far. I like my shirt. I don't know if y'all can see it through the mirror. If I turn this way. Anyways, y'all like my shirt? I got it very, very much oversized. Probably too oversized, but that's okay. No, I didn't give it too oversized because I tuck it in the back. So this is the fit for today's workout. A little oversized gym shorts combo with the hair pulled up, you know, because I'm ready for whatever today. So I know today's leg day. I'm just gonna grab a energy drink on the way out. I'm gonna grab my shaker with some creatine in it. If you don't know about creatine is basically a fitness supplement. It basically just helps with giving your muscles energy in order to lift heavy and more effective. So I definitely like to take this so I can get the gains in the back because I want a dump truck. You know what I'm saying? And not the one you drive. Okay? So I just got out the gym, and baby, when I say that was a workout, that was a workout. I burnt, according to my Apple Watch, I burnt 698 calories in an hour and a half, according to the Apple Watch. You know, they say it's not the most accurate, but you know, I make sure I put my weight, height, and all that good stuff in there so it can be as accurate as possible. You know what I'm saying? But we're about to get ready to try this this green apple flavored protein powder from Prozis. Hope y'all can hear me okay. I got this. Let me turn this off real quick. I'm hot, so I'm gonna make this quick. Alright, so I'm gonna let that dissolve for a bit, and let's go ahead and get on home so I can take a shower because I am sweaty and I also want to play music. So I think I let the water settle enough, so we're gonna do a little taste test. Taste is good. I feel like I added a little bit too much water to this, but the taste is good. I should have poured out more water. I don't know why I get home or if I get to the gym, I just sit in the car for like 10-15 minutes. I mean, that's a bad habit, and I shouldn't do that, but I do. I need to stop. But I just wanted to say this before I go inside and get dressed and such, because I'm not going to turn my camera on probably until later on when I am going to do my meal prep for the rest of the week, because I do have to work tomorrow and Friday, and I like to do my meal preps for when I go to work so I don't have to worry about cooking and whatnot. So I'll see you guys when I do that. I think for right now, I think that's when next time I will see you guys. But I just wanted to go ahead and put a little PSA out there and say you do not need supplements in order to see results in the gym or results with your weight loss. Like, for instance, when it comes to like pre-workout or oxy shred and energy drinks and all that kind of stuff, yes, that does help you sweat. It can also help with burning fat, but it's not needed in order to see fat loss. Protein powders, protein juices, protein shakes, protein bars, those aren't needed in order to meet your protein goals, but they will assist you in those things. So like I said, the pre-workouts, the oxy shred, the energy drinks, those will assist you in burning fat, but it's not needed. The protein powders, the protein supplements and bars and all that good stuff, it's not needed, but it will assist you if you're having trouble in those areas. The creatine, like I said, all that does is help with producing energy in your muscles in order for you to lift heavier and stronger. It's not necessarily directly giving you the gains. It's just helping your performance in order to get those gains that you want in the gym. So it's not needed. It's just an assistance. Any type of supplement you see people use online or you see in the store, those are things that will help assist you. They won't necessarily be the things that make or break meeting your goals when it comes to your fitness and your weight loss journey. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to get ready to eat some lunch, and I'm sure you guys kind of want to know or want ideas of what to cook for yourself. And so yeah, but anyways, for lunch, I am going to be reheating my salmon and my black beans that I cooked yesterday. I'm also going to get some rice. Usually I use jasmine rice and like exclusively use the sticky rice for like my tuna bowls, but I don't feel like cooking the rice right now. Some lettuce, some salsa, and then I'm gonna add some spicy mayo on top. And basically with the spicy mayo, you can either do light mayo and sriracha, or you can do Greek yogurt and sriracha. I like to do some mayo. I used to use the light mayo, but then I'm trying to cut down on those inflammatory ingredients. I mean, I don't always eat the cleanest all the time. But anyways, I'm going to use a little bit of the mayo. This mayo has about 100 calories, so I don't want to use that much. Then I'm going to add some plain Greek yogurt with some sriracha on top, mix that in, and then this is how it's going to look. And then I just put that over the salmon bowl, and there's my lunch for today. This is the definition of we got Chipotle at home. So I got me a new pot set, y'all. You know you're adulting when you're excited about a new pot set. Anyways, it's like this stainless steel. I don't know about y'all, but I love it. It comes with these nice lids. I like that. But anyways, I'm about to get ready to meal prep my food. The only time I really meal prep is when I have to go to work. So yeah, I gotta go to work tomorrow and Friday, so I'm meal prepping for 2 days at minimum, but I might do 3 days. That way when I wake up from my nap after I go to sleep Saturday morning, I'll have something already made and I just have to heat it up. So that's the plan. So I'll let you guys watch me cook. I almost forgot to take my MSM powder, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that. If you don't know about MSM, it just basically helps with like hair, skin. Well, I don't know about skin, but hair and nails. Sometimes I do take my greens. There's prebiotics in it as well. I got this little, I don't know what it's called. Milk frother. Oh my gosh, you're going too fast. Oh, oh my gosh. You help me clean this up? But as you can see, the milk frother is worth the $10 that I spent at TJ Maxx. If you want to know what brand it is, that's the brand. But yeah, I had just put it on the high speed by accident, so that's why it did all that. But anyways, I'm going to sleep. Definitely going to sleep after this.